Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's makeup haul time. I went shopping and I mainly stock up on skincare, so I'm trying a lot of Korean skincare and I'm gonna make a different video on it. So I got a bit of makeup. It's not necessarily all new products. Some products are products that I finished and I had to stock up again, and some other products are products that are not really new, fairly new, and I didn't have the chance to try them yet, so I'm gonna try them with you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. This is my little bag with all of my makeup. I'm gonna go straight in with the foundation, and I think I'm the last person in the world trying this foundation, and I'm using the Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear by L'Oreal. Love that it comes with a pump. You do with your hands is a bit more natural. It's not a full coverage, I would say medium. I'm gonna put another layer to see how it builds. For concealer, I'm using the one from the same Infallible line, More Than Concealer, and I've got the color Vanilla. The applicator is quite big, it's like the type shape tape. I'm gonna do a powder, and I'm gonna put quite a generous amount, and I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, the loose one. It's gonna create like a barrier in case we have any fallout. For eyebrows, I got this Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. I got the color number 4 because it was dark but not too dark. And this pencil is very nice, very pretty. I took off the powder underneath my eyes because it was getting like a bit too dry. To set my eyebrows, I'm using the Brow Drama Maybelline gel. I got the clear one, so let's go with this one. I got the clear one, but there is the colored ones as well. And now we're gonna get in with the eyes, and I went all the way across London to get to the MORPHE store that we have here, and I managed to get the new palette, the 35G Bronze Goals. And I got this one and I got the bronzer. Very excited. I didn't have a new primer, so I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm sure you saw it all across the internet, but here it is. Here's how it looks like. And you have a little plastic with all the names of the colors. I think I'm gonna go like sort of coppery, bronzy, smoky. We'll see. To start with, I'm gonna go with this brown at the very top. It's called Sandy, and it's gonna go in the crease, and this color is blending like a dream. I always find that especially this part is much different from one eye to the other, so I keep my eyes open so I can see how far up I have to blend. I'm gonna deepen up the crease a little bit, and I'm gonna use this brown here, and it's called Naked. I'm basically following the same pattern, but I'm gonna be a little bit lower. I'm gonna deepen up the crease even more. I'm gonna go in with this brown, and it's called Tan Up. I'm getting a bit of smaller blending brush because I want to be quite precise. I don't want to go all the way in. On my actual lid, I'm gonna start using this color here, and it's called Summer Vibes. I'm getting a bit of Fix Plus. I'm gonna go to where I meet the darkest brown that we put, and I'm gonna stop there, and then I'm gonna get again the brush that I use for the darker brown, and I'm gonna blend the part where they meet. I'm gonna go in with this one. It's called Hey Vacay. I'm gonna go back with the first crease color, and I'm gonna go back and put a bit of color in the crease because I lost a little bit of color without the blending. I'm going back with the little blending brush. I'm gonna take Tan Up again and just a pinch, because it's not that I want to put more color, but I want to blend with the copper shade that we put. I'm gonna do eyeliner and I'm gonna put falsies on as well. I've got two pair of falsies by Kiss Lashes, and I've got a corset, and they're very nice and fluffy and full, and a little black dress that are a bit shorter and more natural. I think I'm gonna go with corset, just, you know, to give a bit of va-va-voom. Eyeliner and eyelashes are on. They're a lot longer than I was expecting, but I'm waiting for the glue to dry clear, and then I'm gonna go over the eyeliner for like covering if there's any glue that you can see. I'm gonna finish my under eyes. I'm gonna go back with the first brown that I took earlier for the crease. I'm gonna go back in with the darker brown that I used earlier, so I'm using this one. I wanna go smoky, but not crazy smoky, all along the lash line. I'm gonna highlight the inner corner, and I'm using this one. This color here is called Glow On. I'm pressing my under eye. I had no fallout, which is absolutely great. I'm pressing the powder. I took off basically most of it, but just in case I've got anything left, I'm pressing it. We'll go in with the bronzer. This is the Morphe bronzer that came out with the palette as well. It's a very big bronzer. You have the mirror as well on the other side, and I got the color Icon. Very pigmented as well, but very blendable. I'm getting quite a big fluffy brush because I want to be very delicate, and I'm getting just a pinch, and I'm tapping off the excess, and I'm gonna go on top of the socket, and that is gonna bring everything together. For blush, I've got this Essence Matte Touch Blush, and this is in the color 20 Bury Me Up. When I was younger, I used to buy Essence makeup, just Essence makeup, because it was everything that I could afford. I'm gonna give a first set to the face with the MAC Fix Plus. I'm just gonna go over the band to cover. As eyeliner, I use the Clinique gel liner. As a highlighter, to use an extra color from the palette, I'm gonna use this color here, and it's called Glare. Why do I have a patch there? What happened? What happened? I'm upset about this. It's a very pretty color for highlighter as well. I'm getting a pencil brush, and I'm going back into that, how's it called? Glare color. And this one is going on the brow bone as well. For my lips, I've got a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour liquid lipstick in the color Mannequin. This is that candy. It's matte, but it's not drying my lips. We're gonna do some mascara just to, whoa, wow, okay, I wasn't expecting this. This is a big brush. I'm gonna take off most of the product. I'm getting the brush, the wand, I'm getting a tissue, and I'm taking off most of the product that I have on my brush, and I'm just running it through my natural lashes, and I'm pushing them into the fake ones. Now what I have left on my brush goes my lower lashes. I forgot I got the Morphe setting spray. It's very gentle, so when you spray it on your face, it's not bad set the face. And that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. I do understand all the hype around these products. They're all very nice. I want to see how the foundation is gonna wear. I love how the concealer is acting like with the powder. under my eyes. It's not creasing. I love the high look today. I think I'm having like a very good makeup day. The only thing I'm not happy is this highlighter situation here, but it was my bad because I didn't wait for the fix pads to actually dry before I went with the highlighter. I loved every single product. I think Morphe did an amazing job for both the palette and the bronzer. They do always come out with great products. I think their palettes, especially their eyeshadow palettes, they're a great value for money. I can't believe how inexpensive they are and how many eyeshadows there is in there, and the amazing quality of the eyeshadows. Eyebrows, I never tried this eyebrow pencil, but it became my favorite. It was super precise, super easy to do my eyebrows today. I've got a bit of a baby hair situation at the moment, but they're coming out all grey, so I do apologize about that. I love the eyelashes. They're very like va-va-voom, but very pretty. Like they give a bit of a boom to your eye look. And while the eyeliner is not like a new buying, I do recommend it though. So good. This is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I upload a new video once a week. Have an amazing day wherever you are, whatever you're doing, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.